Oh, good, he looked at the bunk. There's that tongue. He's learning already. 2 weeks old and he's figuring out his tongue. Now show him the dimple in your chin. You show the dimple in your chin. Man, he holds his head up so good. It's so peaceful. Oh, he got his... Here, get my thumb. He wants to sit forward more. Sorry, Mom.
It's okay. It's Baby Copper with Grandma Bellew.
Oh, Grandma who just got out of the shower. Oh, that one didn't taste so good, did it? Hey, cute boy. Watch out, I'll kiss your neck. I'll kiss your neck. Oops. I'm holding his head up so much I forget. Just keep hands right close. Show him the dimple in your chin. Bright blue eyes. Cute little button nose. What a peaceful boy. Mom says, yeah, except for last night at midnight.
Yeah.
Oh, there, show him your hair. Oh, cute little ears. Did we do toes yet?
We'll do a 360.
Oh, okay. Should I turn so the light's better a little bit?
That's okay.
Uh-oh. No, we're okay, we're okay.
There's your little feet.
So we show Mom your little foot. Look, Mom. And Grandma goes, oh, bless you. Good. All systems go. He can hold his head up so much. You're supposed to be all floppy, young man. Nobody told you that, huh?